Good morning, I'm Merin and today I'm on my way to Devkund Waterfall from Mumbai. It is 5:15 am in the morning right now and we are three of us headed to the base village of Bhira. We are traveling by car and we are navigating using Google Maps to Bhira Village. We are hoping to reach there by 8 or 8:30 am today. Our friends said that there are guides available at the entry itself, so we may take a guide if needed after reaching. However, as of now, we've not booked any tour or anything. We're just gonna drive and reach the location and probably start the trek based on how things are. The total duration is around 3.5 hours of drive to the base village of Devkund. We are traveling in the month of August just after the initial rain, so the waterfall should be massive. The drive, I've heard, is very scenic and Devkund Waterfall has been in my bucket list for a really long time. The distance from Pune to Devkund is very much similar to that of Mumbai to Devkund. Finally, some sunlight so you can see our faces. I was hoping to see the sunrise, but we cannot see much because of the monsoon clouds. We have just reached the parking lot for Devkund and we will be starting our trek from here. The drive was really nice, but the roads are a little bit rough towards the end as we reach closer. Also, when you're at the expressway, please do not miss the Khopoli exit, because if you miss that exit, the only way to come back to Bhira is by going through the entire Lonavala Ghats and then again taking a U-turn from there and coming through the Ghats again. So that almost adds up another additional hour to your journey. So keep that in mind, keep out an eye for it, and pretty much otherwise the Google Maps route is really good. It kind of got us at the right spot, and there is a parking charge of around 100 rupees and nothing else has been collected as of now. We also had heard that you do get guides here for 100 rupees, so we will see. Right now there is hardly anyone, as see here. There's just 5 vehicles and hardly any people. But let's see as we start the trek how things change. Right now it is about 8:20 am. We left from Thane at 5 o'clock. 5:15 to be very precise. So we reached really on time without any traffic, no issues at all. I would suggest to leave as early as you can as well. So there's another parking lot here. No idea how this road connects, and this is much closer to the route towards Devkund. So we just had to check in ourselves, and by check in I mean you have to write down the group that's entering in. Ours is number 13, so we're the 13th group that's entering into the trek. This is for safety measures, so that to make sure that everybody whoever entered in also came out. So once we finish the trek, you have to come back and also check out. So that's something you'll have to do when you come with your group. Main trek entrance, and there will be guides around this side. Also there will be a bag checking done, and everyone, all the security people have walkie-talkies here, so they make sure that communicate to each other about which group is entering in next. So as soon as we reached here, he already announced in the walkie-talkie that group number 13 is entering.
The entry fee is rupees 50 per person. So we didn't take any guides as such, as there are plenty of them on the way. The route has also got proper marking, so you cannot really lose your way out here.
We have guides everywhere guiding you. Okay. Another 7 more kilometers to go.
I almost fell. Thanks to Android, didn't break a leg. The guides were just talking about how many people go back with a broken leg. I am not recording while I'm crossing any more streams ahead.
You gotta cross this now.
अब तो बाय डिफॉल्ट दिखाना ही पड़ेगा ये.
We have now reached the bamboo bridge and we have to pay about 20 rupees for crossing over. So let's do that. Either you can cross this using the bridge by paying 20 rupees or you cross directly through the river. You don't have to worry about crossing through the river because there are guides stationed at it and that's the rope you will be taking. However, we don't want to risk going by the water, so we're gonna go by this bridge right here.
We carried some sandwiches, so taking a break before we go ahead. Oh my god, I have no words to describe this beauty. The best feeling ever. I would say that the trek difficulty is easy. However, if it is raining, it might be moderate because of slippery slopes. Overall, we spent rupees 70 on entry and the bridge and rupees 100 per car for parking and the fuel cost of driving down to Bhira. We carried our own snacks and had one vada pav while returning, which cost us rupees 15 each. So overall, it wasn't an expensive effort to really come here and see this massive beauty. And especially if you're living somewhere close to Pune or like Mumbai, I think you should definitely come here during the monsoons or just right after monsoons and experience this beautiful wonder. I hope you like this video and you too have a great time visiting Devkund Waterfall in August. Do subscribe to my channel and get notified about my latest trips and adventures. Thanks for watching.